So why should you use IndexedDB over WebSQL? Well, the good side is that IndexedDB is supported in Chrome, including Chrome for Android, as well as Firefox, IE, and Opera. The downside is that it's not supported in the old Android browser or in Safari. So there are going to be a bunch of mobile users out there that don't have IDB support for a while. Of course, there are a bunch of mobile users out there that aren't going to have WebSQL support either. So what's a web developer to do? Well, in general, I like to recommend trying to do the right thing, but pragmatically making it work in tough situations. The answer here is write to IndexedDB, but use a polyfill so it will work on WebSQL browsers. A good polyfill to use is the IndexedDB shim. There's a link down in the instructor notes. Writing your code this way, you can write good IndexedDB code, but it'll still work on Safari or other browsers that don't yet support IndexedDB.